Climbing to your success and trying to figure out what you want to do with your life can sound like an overwhelming task. It doesn't have to be. With the Climb program, you will be able to explore your career interests, learn new opportunities, develop individualized career plans, have mentoring and support, and build new skills. Climb is a 6-week program where you will learn more about yourself, your interests, dreams, and goals, as well as having the opportunity to meet employers, explore work industries, and get paid while you're at it. The Climb program is for young adults that are 18 to 24 years old, live in zip codes 22041 or 22044, can attend activities 3 times a week from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. for 6 weeks, starting October 8th and ending November 14th at Minnie H. Payton Community Center at Bailey's. Activities will be held every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday from 10 a.m.
while you learn.
to 2 p.m. The Climb program offers you a unique opportunity to earn while you learn. Participants will be paid $14 an hour and can receive up to $1,000 minus taxes for attending weekly activities. Discover the next steps in your career path and receive continued support in taking those next steps. Plus, free food will be provided at each session. So, if you're wondering how you can apply, you've come to the right place. Just scan the QR code to complete this simple online interest form. Within 2 business days, not including Saturday or Sunday, one of our team members will reach out to you using your preferred contact method. At that time, we will schedule an interview where we'll ask you a few questions and you have an opportunity to ask us any questions you may have. The enrollment period ends on October 4th, but spots are limited, so reserve your place today.